This video is about working with Camp GWC and how we enter in information into Salesforce. We use campaigns for tracking everything with the conference, whether that be exhibitors, presenters, donations, so forth, is right here in Salesforce. So every single time you talk to someone that might be a part of the conference in any form, whether they be a donator or a possible exhibitor or possible presenter, we want that information in here. It'll help us in years in the future, as well as help us understand exactly what happened this year. We do that again through campaigns. The way you find campaigns is easiest through the Child Start app. And remember, to get to the Child Start app or any app, use these colored squares and search for Child Start. So once I'm on the Child Start app, I can go to campaigns, and like every other tab, it's going to pull my recently viewed. And if you have not recently viewed any of these campaigns, it's not going to show up in this list. So you can always search the list for GWC. Search. So what you see right here right now are 4 options. The 4th option is Camp GWC 2022. That's what we call a parent campaign. Nothing's going to be entered directly in there. Instead, you're going to enter directly into donations, presenters, or exhibitors. When you go into each of these, all the information up top that we need filled out is complete. And all you have to worry about is adding members. So you can go directly through the campaign, or you can go to a contact record. Unfortunately, this only works with contact records. This does not work with organization records. So you must have a person you're talking to. So I'm going to click to members. And the way we add a member to any campaign, whether it be the donations, presenters, or exhibitors, is again through the contact or through this page, and click on Add Contact. So when I click Add Contact, first I choose the name. I did that wrong. Add Contact. I didn't actually do it wrong, but Jason MoMA. But should pull there, and I could click Next, and you can tell because it puts it here. Now I could add additional people here if I wanted to. So I can do multiple people at once. Click Next. Ask me which campaign. I click through the campaign, so that's the correct one. And then we have member status. So with donations, we have sent, responded, donated, and refused donation. So basically, sent means I asked. Responded says basically they responded, they got the request, but they don't know the answer. Maybe they asked more questions. Maybe they're not sure who to contact. And then they have donated, and then they have refused donation. So we're going to say in this case that they responded, and click Submit. So once that happens and I refresh, I can go to the donations campaign, look at members, and I can see basically, especially if I click View All, where people are at. So we have someone who has already donated, and then we have someone who's responded. And let's say I have changed my mind and I'm going to donate. So I'm going to go to Edit and change to Donated. Save. And so now anytime we go to the donations page, we can see how many people are in what status. Same thing can be told about presenters, except for they have a few other, their choices come out differently. They have sent, interested, denied, and confirmed. And then we have exhibitors who are sent, responded, not interested, interested, and confirmed. Anytime you have a campaign member in here, you can change their status, and that's what's expected. You know, we expect at first we send it to them, we don't have an answer. And so they'll be in here as sent. And then you just go in once they respond one way or another and change their status. Easiest way to do that is either through, like for example, if they're exhibitor, through here and clicking edit, or you can actually go directly to their record, find their campaign history, which is right here, and click edit. So interested, we're going to change to confirmed, save. Now, on top of that, what you absolutely have to do anytime you reach out to anyone, and I can't enforce this enough, whether it be for growing with children or anything else, you must have an activity history, log calls, the best way to do it. So enter in your activity with them, especially if they donate or especially if they are going to participate, put extra information into the comments. For example, they donated a $100 gift card. Please put that in the comments. So that way we have that record. If they've agreed to do a 1.5 hour presentation on a certain topic, put that in the comments. And also don't forget, there are the notes and attachments area. So if you have a long conversation with them, or if they send you files, you can easily upload files to make sure everybody has the information that you need. With growing with children, there are a lot of steps. There's a lot of people saying no, more than you would think, but we have to track that as well so we know who to possibly reach out to in the next year, and who to absolutely just don't bother with. So I appreciate you entering in information. If you have any questions, please put them down in the comments underneath this video. So that way I can answer them there and everybody has the answer. Thanks.